Okay, this part, we sitting like this. This part, we press like this. Do like this. You can joint your breathe as well with this. Inhale. When you're gonna come here, feel your back from here, hands down. Active your back, lift your heart up. You can feel your middle back. Yes? And then exhale your breathe with sound. This is very healthy. Simple breathe, inhale. Push your hand up. Feel from here, your back shoulder. Down. Look back. Relax. Relax. Again, inhale. Open your 5 fingers. Close when you're gonna come down. Hands like this. Squeeze your back from back. Forcefully. Throw your breath out. Stop. Relax. Touch your heels down if you can. Joint your feet together. Both feet together at least. Pressurize your elbows. Open your back. Lift your heart up, shoulder down, these two parts. Pressurize to each other, feel your underarms. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is called samasthiti. Look ahead, concentrate ahead at one single point, hand touch to your body. Shoulders down, 5 fingers closed. Look at one point, just make one point and just go inside and inside that point. Hands always never touch to your heart, just here, keep your hands, pressurize from 2 points, feel your underarms, like this. Look ahead at one point, feet should be like this. Down, no breathe. From here start in. Push your hands up. Breathe. When you gonna move your hands from here, so start inhale, very slow. Combine your breathe with your body movement. Your body gonna move and your breathe gonna move together. If you going fast, so you gonna do like this with your breathe. If you going slow, so breathe also should go slow. Just look at first point, 3 points here, touch, squeeze your hips if you can. This is also the important part in yoga. Lift your neck like this, don't look so much high, just in front of your eyes. Make one point. When you're gonna come back, then also the same point you're gonna look. Like this. Hands like this, push out. Then exhale, start exhaling. Don't do, just look first time how I'm doing. Then you can push your hand like out. Feel your back knees at this point. Move your hand, because after this position, you gonna put all the pressure of your body on your wrist here, like this. So from here, move your hand like this to do little bit warm up. This finger should be this finger, parallel to this finger, and open your hand according to your shoulders. One leg out. Whole body weight should be on this thigh, like this. Back knee is straight, like this. Look up, tuck your neck from here. Then another feet, like this. Look inside towards your navel. Touch your head down. Look inside. Push your body back. Then this is called ashtanga. Shoulder in, elbows in. Touch your chin down. Concentrate your lower back. Feet like this always. From here, slide your body upward. Inhale, look back. Then like this. From here, this is called ashtanga. From here, feet like this and jump like this. Then one foot here in between both legs, both hands, again like this. Second feet together, touch your head down, inhale up, exhale down. Push your body up. Let me do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Virabhadrasana. Look ahead. Exhale. Look up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go like this. Look up. Your neck should be pushed this side, upward. Move your shoulder. Go a little bit more down. Straight your legs, touch your head down. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come for 10, 11, 12. Stomach gonna be squeezed because there is no air in your stomach. Squeeze, 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 tight, and then breathe is all out. From here, stop. If you're gonna do your neck like this, this is called this is called Kant Bandh. Kant Bandh. Then you're gonna stop, swallow your spit. That is called Jalandhar Bandh. That is also from here. And from down we have Moon Bandh. So 3 kind of bandh we gonna make in this exercise. After, yes, Udyan Bandh. Yes, we're gonna do this in that way. Then throw your breath out, squeeze your stomach and pull inside. Thumb here, middle finger here down, and go. Inhale. Again. We gonna do Agnisa. This is called Agnisa. Agnisa. Agnisa in Sanskrit, in Hindi, Agnisa, like this. Fire. Yes. Yes, fire. For fire. Agni means fire. Just bring your stomach in and out fast.